Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this Nokia smartphone. Start by opening settings and choosing sound over here. Now you need to click on vibrate vocals and select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it over here and go back. Now choose shortcut to prevent ringing, and over here you need to click on press power and volume up together, select vibrate if you wish to and go back. After that, tap on advanced, scroll down and tap on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and set vibrations to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!